Minsan, ang pag-ibig ay nagsisimula sa isang simpleng tinginan, isang hindi inaasahang sulyap, isang sandaling hindi mo alam na mababago sa'yo mapagkailanman. Ganito, nagsimula ang kwento ni Zairi at Rafael. Hindi perfecto, pero totoo. Sa kanilang mundo, sapat na ang isa't isa. Wala silang ibang iniisip, kundi ang kanilang kasalukuyan. Ang kilig sa bawat tinginan, ligaya sa bawat yakap, at ang walang hanggang pagmamahal sa isa't isa. Dito nagsimula ang buhay ng aking pamilya. A few years later,
Ano bang grado to, Geb? Nag-aaral ka ba ng maayos? Wala na bang itataas yung mga grado mo? Have you been paying attention to your teachers?
Tingnan mo kuya mo, nakagraduate na with flying colors pa. Tapos yung ate mo, nakatake na ng board exam. Tapos ikaw, hindi ka naman makakuha ng spot sa achiever. We already talk about this.
My situation, right? My parents are comparing me to my ates BTS. I know they're smart man, pero like, bakit ko lagi nasampal yung pagkabobo ko sa mukha ko?
Oo, kawawa ka naman. You are human. It's not like they can tell you who you should be. Tama! Just drink to my party. Oo, kailangan mo to, girl! Kayong dalawa talaga.
a few weeks later,
Anakas? Diaz? Absent na naman? Parang ilang linggo na to siya hindi pumapasok ah. Seth, Izumi, bakit hindi na pumapasok si Gert?
Hindi namin alam. Pati sa amin din siya nagpaparamdam eh.
Kahit ba sa ibang subjects hindi na siya pumapasok?
Opo, ulikita kami weeks ago.
Lumabas ka dyan, Gabriel! Ano yung sinasabi ng teacher mo na hindi ka na pumapasok, ha? Lalabas ka o sisirain ko itong pintuan mo?
Hoy, kinasap ka na mama mo, lumas ka na dyan!
Ma'am, pa, isasabihin sana ako. Buntis ako.
Ha? Yan ang nga ba sinasabi kong bata ka?
Mahal, kalma lang. Pakinggan na natin siya. Bakit? Paano ito nangyari? Sino ang ama?
Nakilala ko lang po siya sa bar. Patawarin niyo ako, ma. Pasensya na.
Gem, alam mo ba, biktima rin ako ng teenage pregnancy.
Ha? Talaga ba, ma?
Seryoso, ma?
Oo, mga anak. Kaso lang, pinulang ako. Kasi sobrang galit ng lolo at lola niyo.
naging mahirap ang buhay ni Zairi. Ngunit, pinaglaban niya ito para sa munting buhay, ang kanyang pinakamahal na anak. At dahil dito, naintindihan niya ang mga pinagdadaanan ng kanyang anak na si Gem.
Nak, anong gagawin mo sa bata?
Alagaan ko po.
Teenage pregnancy remains a significant issue in the Philippines, affecting thousands of young girls every year. The country has one of the highest teenage pregnancy rates in Southeast Asia, which continues to impact families, communities, and the nation's overall development. One of the main causes of teenage pregnancy in the Philippines is the lack of sex education. Many teenagers do not receive proper guidance on safe sex, contraception, and the responsibilities of parenthood. Peer pressure and social media influence also contribute, as young people are often exposed to unrealistic portrayals of relationships and risky behaviors, which leads the youth into a direction of life that is not ideal. It is important we focus on prevention. Proper dissemination of information is essential in guiding the youth to the right path of responsible decisions and proper family planning. This is important to know because teenage pregnancy can have many negative effects on a person, one of which being hindered in their academics, as young moms will often drop out of school to take care of their child. Not only that, teenage pregnancy is considered a taboo in our modern society, making a person subject to discrimination and maybe even rejection from friends, family, and even just strangers. So let's work on stopping teenage pregnancy together.
Ikaw pa rin ang